I've made $362,000 per month on average for the last 3 years with the most boring AI business that you could think of. And if I started from zero today, I know that this will work better than any other AI trend you can find on YouTube, because while everyone is chasing agentic workflows, Claude Code, or whatever new thing dropped this week, I've been running the exact same boring business that made me millions before AI was even a thing. So today, I will tell you why this boring business is the best option to make money with AI, what exactly I do in my business, and the exact 5 steps you can follow to just copy me. And don't worry, I won't sell you a course or make you join a community. I just want to give you as much information as I can to help you build a profitable AI business with the hopes that we'll partner together in the future. Okay, let's get into it. First, you need to understand something. What the AI gurus on YouTube are telling you to do will not work. The majority of them are telling people that to make money with AI, they need to build some super complex automation on softwares like N8N. They spend days building it, watching tutorials, and fixing every error until it's perfect. But when they try to sell it to a business, they can't find anyone who will pay them for it. The reality is that these automations may look and sound impressive, but they rarely have any real business application. They are made with the sole purpose of looking cool in a new video to get views. And look, I've been in this space for 8 years, and I know that businesses don't care about how flashy and innovative your automation is. They only care if it makes them more money, no matter how boring it is. Most of you would think that boring means outdated, but what boring actually means is proven. Think about the local businesses in your city. The plumber, the roofer, the laundromat, the dentist. Are any of those businesses new and exciting? No. But are they making money? Of course they are. And this is because they solve problems that will always exist. Pipes will always leak, roofs will always need repairs, clothes will always need to be cleaned, and these are the same old boring and unsexy problems that people continue to have. But there's one problem that businesses will always have, and this is the most valuable problem that you can solve. They need more customers. And every single business, from the gym on your street corner to the biggest construction company, is always trying to get more customers. That problem existed 50 years ago, it exists today, and it's gonna exist for the next 50 years to come. And here's the best part. Businesses spend more and more money on solving this problem than any other problem. And on average, businesses in the US spend between $2,500 and $12,000 every single month on marketing to get more customers. And if you want more proof, look at Alex Hormozi. He didn't make $73 million with Gym Launch because he created a revolutionary machine and sold it to a bunch of gym owners. He made millions because he helped them get more customers. He didn't try to invent something new. He just knew what businesses were looking for and offered them exactly that. That's where the money is and exactly what my agency does. It helps gyms get more clients, but not in the way you may think. You see, a lot of people will say that you should sell AI automations, but the truth is that you shouldn't do that. Let's say that you made an AI chatbot that responds to website visitors. It does add some value to the business, but there are 2 key problems. The first one is that you can't really charge much money for it. If you sell a business one automation, you're just solving only one of the dozen problems that they have. The value that you're providing is minimal. It's hard to actually convince someone to pay you more for that. And the second problem is that you're always on the edge of losing your job. It just takes an N8N builder update or a better AI coding model to completely replace you in the service you just sold them. And that's why, instead of AI automation, my agency sells AI systems. When you sell a complete system, everything's different and things change. A system is complex enough that it becomes a fundamental piece in how the business is run. It makes it really hard to find direct competitors for your service, and you can charge 5 or even 10 times more for it. Now, let me show you exactly what we do to get businesses more customers with the least amount of work possible so that they have to do as little as possible. Every business has hundreds or thousands or even tens of thousands of old leads sitting in their CRM. And most of these leads have never been followed up with. And in fact, the data shows that only 27% of all leads are actually contacted. So the first part of our system takes all those dead leads and reaches out with an offer to re-engage them. The offer could be anything from a chance to win 1-year membership for free or to even get a discount for their next month. And this is where most of our clients decide to keep working with us because they get more money before even spending any money on ads. And then we make sure that the business has a good reputation. 97% of customers read online reviews before they make a purchase. So at the second pillar of the system, we set up an automation that acts ask every customer for a review. And when someone leaves a review, the AI will respond automatically and ask for a referral. This generates free, high-quality leads for the business, and if the review isn't good, the AI will simply collect the feedback and won't make it public. Now, after we set that up, we make sure that they're responding to each lead as quickly as possible. Most businesses take around 42 hours to follow up with leads, and that mistake costs them hundreds, if not thousands of clients, because when businesses don't follow up in the first 5 minutes, their conversion rate drops by over 400%. So the third and fourth pillars of this system make sure that the AI follows up within 5 minutes. So when someone fills out a form on their website, the AI will contact the lead first, and when no one answers a phone call after a few minutes, the AI will send a message and make sure that the lead isn't lost. And with these two pillars, we make sure that 100% of the leads are being contacted. And now after we've activated their database, we've fixed their review problem, automated their follow-up, and ensured that no calls get missed, we turn on the ads. And because we've optimized everything else, every dollar spent is worth 3 to 4 times more than it would have been otherwise, or when they work with other agencies. And when people see their ads in Google the Business, they see tons of great reviews. So when they submit their information, they get an instant follow-up, and then when they call, someone always answers. And that's exactly why I have clients who have been paying me for over 7 years, because we are the entire system that runs their client acquisition. They can't replace us without replacing 5 different services at once, and nobody else in the market offers all 5 in one package. This is why boring is better. I'm not trying to sell the future of AI. I'm simply solving the oldest and biggest problems businesses have, and I'm using AI to do it more effectively. Okay, so now you know what my boring business does and why you should start one, but that's just one part of the equation. When I started my agency 7.5 years ago in my mom's basement, I knew what to sell, but I had no clear path to build a profitable business. So I spent months piecing together information. I even wasted $1,000 on a course only to keep being stuck and confused as hell. And it was until a coach showed me the roadmap I should follow that I started to actually have clarity and scale from $3,000 a month to over $70,000 a month in just a couple months. And I was able to do it all because I knew exactly what steps I should take next. So here's the roadmap for you. First of all, don't try to help every type of business. When you're trying to help everyone, you're competing with every other agency. But if you become the specialist for one group of people, you'll have way less competition and way more authority. Now here's the key. Pick one industry where the average transaction value is very high. For example, if a business makes $10,000 in profit per client, you only need to generate them a few sales a month to justify charging them $5,000 a month. You could even charge them $10,000 a month. And also, look for industries where other agencies are already making 6 figures per month or even 7 figures a month, because that proves there's demand in the market. It proves product market fit. And if you want some examples, I picked gyms, my brother picked ballroom dance studios, and I also have partners who picked med spas, dental office, chiropractors, and roofers. But it doesn't matter which one you pick. What matters is that you pick only one. The next step is the cheat code that helped me sign up hundreds of gym owners in 6 months. Don't go after random businesses with 1 or 2 locations. Instead, target franchises in your niche. When I got an Anytime Fitness owner as a client, he was my best source of income. Not only because he paid me a lot, but also because he was telling others how I helped grow his business. And that's why targeting franchises is the best option. Franchise owners talk to each other constantly. They're part of advisory boards and share what's working for them. So if you get one influential owner who loves your service, he or she will tell a lot of other people about it. And when those leads come in, they're pretty much already sold on working with you, because someone running the exact same business told them you could get them the same results. Okay? So step 3 is getting customers. I know everyone tells you to do cold email or cold calling, and sure, those do work. But if you want to scale, you need paid ads. Here's why. With cold outreach, you're chasing the client. But with ads, they come to you. When someone fills out your form, they've already identified themselves as having the problem you solve. They're warm and much easier to close. But to make this work, you don't want to pitch AI agents or technical features. Instead, pitch the benefit. Something like med spa owners book 20 to 50 appointments every month automatically. By saying this, only the people who want that exact result will click on the ad. Now, most people focus all their energy on learning AI tools and building the most complex AI systems they can, but if you can't sell it, it doesn't matter how good your AI system is. That's why the 4th step is to master the sales process. You need to learn how to diagnose their actual problem, how to make them doubt their current approach and strategy, and how to position your system as the only solution and close them on the call. And let me be clear with you, this is a skill of its own, and it will take a lot of practice. But once you master it, everything else becomes a lot easier. And finally, you build and deliver the system I showed you earlier. The best part is that once you build it for the first time, you can use the same system for every single client after that. And that's why this boring business is so efficient, because you're not reinventing the wheel every time or figuring out custom solutions for each business. You're running the same proven system over and over again. Okay, and I know that if you follow these 5 steps, you'll be way more likely to build a profitable business than if you chase the next hot AI trend of the month. Because the people on YouTube who tell you to follow these trends are making more money selling their shitty courses and communities than actually selling AI to businesses. Now, I'm not here to offer anything like that. I just want to help you build an AI agency for free. So maybe in the future, I can add your agency to my portfolio and sell it. My business has already been privately valued at over $5 million, so I don't need your money. What I do need are other AI agencies that I can partner with and add to my portfolio. Because when I go to sell my agency, 10 agencies is better than one, and I will sell for 5 to 10 times more. So if you want to speed the process up and have money to invest into scaling your AI agency, then you can check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.